Alright, time to do some grocery shopping. And I'll just use the force to open this door. It smells like farts in here. Let's see, eggs. Do eggs have protein? Does yogurt have protein? Do bananas have protein? Ah, fuck it, I'll just get it. Alright, do I need any snowman noses? Steak? Money's too tight for steak. Steak? Sure. Steak. Let's see, orange juice. Alright, am I a pulp guy? Or am I a no pulp guy? Just orange drink. I can't be absolutely sure. Well, no pulp goes better with vodka. Alright, problem solved. The fuck is the difference between white and brown eggs? Fucking racist. Is this the Manly's yogurt they have? I need something made out of pterodactyl. God, I love the liquor aisle. So exciting. So many possibilities. I could drink anything. I could drink everything. Oh, and they have condoms here. That's smart. Peanut butter. More like penis butter. Alright, I gotta get it. God, I'm such a pussy using a fucking basket. I need a cart. I'm a man. Oh yeah, riding dirty. Big cart, motherfucker. Whee! Alright, do I need milk? Milk is for babies. When you grow up, you have to drink beer. Good thing I'm at the grocery store. I'm fucking starving. Everybody knows that's the best time to shop for groceries. Okay, eating healthy. Gonna get some salad. Baby spinach. What am I, baby fucking Popeye? Where's baby olive oil? Red leaf. 50-50. 50-50 of what? Man, fuck salad. Okay, cheese, hot dogs, chili, hummus, beans. Well, I should have no trouble farting tonight. Muscle milk! Gotta reload those guns. Do I need Windex? I've only got like 9 bottles at home. Better safe than sorry. Plus, it's got protein. Hamburger helper. I like you, little glove guy. You're coming home with me, buddy. Hot pockets. Diarrhea pockets. Yeah. Oh, wait, this isn't hamburger. This is lamb. Well, guess I'm having lamburger helper tonight. Alright, frozen pizza. I know what you are, right? I know what you are, and I know what you're not. And you know, fucking delivery. I'm just kidding, DiGiorno. I love you. Please come home with me. Tokyo Drift, motherfucker! Honey Nut Cheerios. Oh shit, is that Carmelo Anthony? Oh no, I'm good. Balbasar! God damn it, this guy's in my fucking way. Now I have to pretend like I'm looking for something else. Self-checkout. What is this, the Matrix? Oh my fuck. First you use coupons, now you're trying to pay with a check, and I will carry all the bags in one trip. Because I am a man. Awesome, now I have food for... Ooh, is that a Burger King? Windex does not actually have any protein, so nobody drink Windex thinking that it's a protein shake. If you like the video, please subscribe. If you don't like the video, please subscribe. I'm MaxNoSleeves, and I will see you next Tuesday. Solid.